Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a golden text effect on your Canva like this. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create this gold text effect on your Canva on your PC? So first of all, click on the apps and just search as text maker in the apps store. Then here you have a first app I just talking about. Just click on this and just open it. So after open the app, you just need to click on the gold option, or you can just search the presets as gold. So after clicking on the gold, you can find a lot of gold. So just scroll down and here you can find a different type of golden effect. So I just choose this golden effect, and you can just create my channel name here as a Tech Made Me Unique, and you can customize like your name or whatever you just needed. So then you just can change the font if you just need it, and also the alignment, text alignment can be customized and changed, and also the shadow effect. Click on the customization, you can just change the color, but we are going to create a golden text effect, so the gold color is much important. So after click on the add design option and just click on the add design, so your design will be inserted in the image. But after creating this design, you can't customize. You can only crop the image because it will be inserted as an image. Just keep on mind. You just need to add change the text. Just go with the same text effect and add new text and just click on the add design. So this is how you just create this golden text effect on your Canva on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet in the next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.